Hey, hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to hide your game activity on your Discord profile. It's very easy, so let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that you want to do is open up your Discord application and go to the user settings right here. Now from there we scroll all the way down till you see the activity settings. Now the first thing that we're going to do is the activity privacy. Now make sure that share your detected activity with others has been turned off. And here you can also turn it off for a big server, for example, as you can see right here. Now here you can also allow friends to join your game, turn that off. What you could also do is right here, when we go back into the activity settings, here we have the registered games. Now let's say you want to play Roblox and you don't want your friends to see that you're playing Roblox. You simply go toggle this detection off. Now what will happen is when you play Roblox, it won't be detected as game activity and people can't see that you're playing the game. Now the other games will still work. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.